Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all data on YouTube. Firstly, launch your application and then go on your profile icon on your right upper side. I forget, you go for settings, and as you can see here you have many options right there, but you need to go on history and privacy, and then you need to go on the fifth selection, manage all activity. Go for it. And here guys, it will bring you to the main page of this pointless video. Here, as you can see, if you get up into the section, here you're gonna find out all activity section on your side. Go for delete option, and here guys you have three options. You have delete today, delete custom range, if you can go and select the range of the dating section to get delete that sectional option, and then you have delete all time. Go on the third option, and with this you're gonna delete all data on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.